So in this video, we're going to fix this issue. Hey guys, today we're going to go ahead and replace the rear gas struts on this Nissan 350z 2007. And here are the struts themselves. I did get these on RockAuto.com. And here is the part number information in case you need that. Brand is Ultra Power. It does come with the hardware and also the gas strut itself. For this, you will be needing a 11mm wrench and also 10mm socket. For the second part, just make sure you do have a helper that's helping you lift up the rear hatch, because it's quite heavy and it can fall on you and you can break your neck. But seriously, if you use a wooden plank, that is helpful, but it's a whole lot better if you have someone else helping you out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove it, the top bracket, put it in, and we're just going to go ahead and keep turning until we have it all loose. Guys, make sure that the person holding it is really putting emphasis on actually holding the hatch, because this will come down once it pops down. So make sure you hold this with one hand, because when it pops off, it will hit your car. So make sure that you hold it. Just like that. You got a washer in there, so make sure you don't lose that. Alright, we're going to need a 10mm socket, and this one is going to be the Milwaukee electric impact wrench. So we're going to make sure we hold it, put that on there. We're going to take these two out. There's one. Save it, don't lose it. There you go. Okay, so now we just want to clean it off. We want to have a clean workspace, just using some simple green. Gonna spray it on there, and we're just gonna wipe it down. So we're going to go ahead and put in the bolt into the thread. Make sure you do have your washer in there. You can see right there. And then we're going to hand tighten it as much as you can. Once it's pretty hand tight, then you're going to go in with your wrench, and that would be 11mm. And you just barely want to tighten it a little bit. You don't want to. Sorry guys, did it the wrong way. Just enough. And it's snug right there, it's not over tightened. So now I'm going to go in with the wrench, and you want to make sure that you tighten it, but not over tighten. And that should be good. So now we're going to go ahead and put in the bracket. This is how it goes, with the little hump going down. Do not put it like this. That's incorrect. It needs to go like that. Let's go ahead and screw them in. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just tighten it up and make sure that you don't over tighten and strip the threads. Here's one. Here we go. So we're gonna get the strut. The bottom, it has the wording. We're gonna go ahead and use that. And we're just gonna pop it in. Try to hold it center and then just use your... There we go. Once you've popped in the bottom one, we need to pop in the top one. With the second person assisting you, make sure they lift it enough to place it, and then you're just gonna pop it in. Or just put some pressure in and pop it. Like so. So now we're gonna go ahead and test it out, see how these work out. Kind of jerks at the very end, but there you go. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to us, and share away. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message or type it in the comments. We really appreciate your support, guys. Have an awesome day.